You look like a cornball. Dude, what did you do?
I slid out going like 70.
You gotta sell this god like you. You want an Astro vibe?
Yeah, I'll take an Astro vibe, dude. Thank you. Dude, you got that Astro vibe?
Guys, look at Jude. Look at him.
Dude, you can't tell me I'm not fitted up right now. Are you playing with me?
You look like a cornball.
Not much at all.
Alright, welcome back to another video of Jude bandaging his wounds from his motorcycle.
First one wasn't my fault. Second one, I don't really got anyone else to blame besides me.
Welcome back to another video. Taking another video back on the good old s54 swapped e30. I feel like our attention has been pulled away from the big turbo e28. We're going back to the car that started this channel. I want to start driving this thing. The rear drive shaft feels like it's gonna blow apart if you do anything over 100 miles an hour. I went out to Cars and Coffee with my friends and we were doing speeds that were very fast. And I had to limp this thing home because the rear U-joint felt like it was gonna literally grenade itself. Got a new drive shaft. The tune sucks. It's some like crappy Alpha N tune. Got HTE to tune this. Redo the exhaust. I'm gonna make an actual exhaust tip. Should be fun. So beginning part of the video, we're gonna be working on it, and then end part of the video, we're gonna be ripping this thing. Oh, guys, I also want to say we're almost at like, I think 7,000 or 8,000 subscribers.
Hey.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit 10,000 pretty soon. Got a new drive shaft here, semi-new.
I was gonna say it looks super new, dude.
Quit making fun of my drive shaft. It's fine. It's better than the one on the car.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. I was gonna ask you if you think it could be the diff or not.
If it's gonna be the diff, I'm gonna get really mad.
Yeah.
So it better not be the diff.
All right.
Someone with a really big wiener must have made this exhaust.
Yeah.
There's barely any play. Let me see that. Let me see that. There's barely any play in this thing. Like, you guys can't, you might be, I doubt you can see that on camera. Like if there's any play in a U-joint, it'll cause a vibration.
I don't know if those are MIG.
I don't know if those are MIG. Jude, come on. You think I would TIG weld that? I had like the wrong rod, but Shorty be saying.
You got the wrong rod.
Everybody subscribe right now. I need a lift.
Julian, a lift is like $1,000.
Can I put a lift in this garage, dude?
Seriously, take out your sister's bedroom and put a fucking lift here. He doesn't need it, honest.
There's a pair of dikes somewhere. Wait, hold on. I'll get them. You ain't fucking.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to know where all of his tools are.
Huh?
Nothing.
All right, pull that down. Kind of like yank it.
Seems like something's holding it up.
No, it should just yank down. There you go, dude. It's starting to come. There you go.
It's kind of retarded, but kind of cool.
Shut the f*** up.
I said I even got it.
Alright, I'm gonna have you play the game of put it in gear, take it out of gear, put it in gear. Alright, out of gear, Jude. Alright, put it in gear, Jude. Oh, Jesus. Alright, we gotta actually talk about what we're doing, so like the people
know what's going on.
Yeah, so I'm removing the drive shaft, like the front portion of the Guivo. Jude was a good cameraman, he would show you guys. Look, they can see that. That's what I'm taking off.
That's what he's taking off, guys. That's what he's taking off. All right, come on. Who has a car for fucking 10 years and doesn't get a
Shut the fuck. Dude, do you know how many engines have been in this car? God damn. Alright, I might have to take the rest of this exhaust down.
Many minutes later.
You can't see it on video, but I can feel it. There's play in this U-joint. Any little bit of play, it like, dude, just look how fucking tight and, carrier bearing. I'm gonna try to take it off without messing it up. If I don't, I gotta back up and I'll have one tomorrow. Dude, I gotta show the people what I'm doing. I gotta show the people what I'm doing because these people need to learn from us. Look how far I got it.
I understand from that spot. Oh, there you go. All right, let's throw on a new one.
Don't tell me what to do. Wait, I forget which way this goes.
The next day.
Welcome back to another day in paradise, aka my terribly messy garage. I couldn't get the old center carrier bearing off the semi-new drive shaft, so I had to go up to the shop and use an air hammer. But we got it, so we're gonna put a good half of the drive shaft on this guy. Another pro tip, if you guys are ever doing this, working on BMWs, you have to take apart a drive shaft. There is a white dot and another white dot. Those need to line up because this is a 2-piece drive shaft, and you need to do that so it stays in balance. I can do this with one hand. Come on, baby. I got this connected. White dot lines up with the white dot. Everybody like, comment, subscribe, boost the algo so I can get a shop. Is this the wrong drive shaft? Hold on. Okay, guys, I got the wrong drive shaft. At least the rear section is the same. The front section is different, so I'm gonna swap this front section. Unfortunately, my drive shaft might be out of balance, and I'm probably gonna have to take it and get it balanced. Change this out, and then we're gonna throw this in. Hopefully it fits. Drive shaft and the front portion of the exhaust is on. I didn't film that because it is a pain in the ass to get on by myself. What we are doing now is we're making the custom exhaust tip. Now I did just have this muffler literally just sticking out as my tip. It was kind of cool, almost like a race car, but I don't really like that look anymore. So what I'm thinking, so I got two 3.5-inch tips or exhaust right here, and what I'm thinking of doing is somehow just like that, kind of gonna be angled. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna make this. I got this piece and I got this piece. Basically, I just like put them over like that, and I kind of draw a line where I'm gonna cut them. Imagine just that cut off, and then we'll weld it together. And we'll cut the tip off so we can weld a piece of exhaust onto it.
Many minutes later.
You guys are gonna hate me. I finished the exhaust tip. Here it is. Looks all pretty. I'm super happy with how this came out. Look how cool this thing looks. The reason why I didn't film pipes that I was cutting out to try to make my original idea work, the angle thing is like off, and I messed up 3 different cuts, and I messed up a bunch of piping, and I didn't think I could do it anymore, and I actually made a 3-inch. So this is 3-inch right here, this is 3.5-inch, 3-inch, and then it goes back up to 3.5-inch. So this thing looks like, guys, I'm sorry I didn't film this, but this looks fucking sick. I did film a reel, so everybody go follow my Instagram and go like that reel. Guys, look at this freaking exhaust tip, dude. This thing's so sick. It's gonna sit right there just like that. Oh my god, dude. Are you freaking kidding me? Eric's here. Remember him from the videos. I waited for Eric to get here because I gotta, you know, do this and this, and I'm gonna give him the camera. So here, Eric. Brother. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, fuck, I'm getting too old for this shit. Oh. This is what I do for you guys, getting all this quality content. What do you think of the little angle on it?
Like off to the side slightly?
Yeah.
I think that looks better than if you would do straight on. I've used quite a few G Wilkers in my day.
I went to high school.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, E30 is on the ground. We're gonna go out and go on a little test hit, see if everything is okay. There's Eric's beautiful E46 M3. Actually, funny story, this engine up here originally came from that car. Bought it off of Scott. This guy had Scott rebuild this car. Scott gave him a new engine, and I bought the blown up one. So it's crazy to have these two cars together.
Reunited.
And I may need to adjust that exhaust. I think I hear it hitting on the rear subframe. Days later, I am on the phone with, well, not on the phone, in communications with HTE, the guy who is tuning the car. So I got this like AnyDesk thing pulled up, and this dude is actually from Lebanon, not Lebanon, PA, like Lebanon, the country. He's remoting into the computer. My OBD connector right there is gonna get plugged into here, and he's gonna do some magic wizardry. Is that a word? Guys, things are happening. It's crazy. This dude is literally like thousands of miles away. He's just on this computer tuning this car. He just had me start the car up. Now before, I think the tune that was on this before was like the stock bass map for like when the map is unplugged. My sport mode button right there wasn't working. So now if I go to rev the car up and like hold it at an RPM, I hold it at an RPM, hit the sport mode button, then it starts to rev. So that's fixed. Just got off the computer with HTE. Now we are gonna go take this puppy on a spin. I don't know how good the filming's gonna be because obviously I'm by myself right now. And sport mode works now, so I'm steady throttle, hit the sport mode. So cool. And this wheel is also sick. Guys, I'm falling in love with this car again. I fucking love this car. Throttle is so much better now. I don't know what tune was on it before, but it wasn't a good one, I can tell you that. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my God. Rev match. Oh, the rev matches. It actually rev matches now. Oh my God. That was only like 4,500. Oh. Alright. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was only like 5,000 RPMs. Hold on. Turning radius sucks and I don't want to scrape my fucking fenders. Alright, we're good. This thing is so fast. Oh my God. Alright, I gotta put this camera down. Oh my God, like I'm literally shaking right now. There's way too much traffic right now for me to be ripping, but this is so fast. It's not even funny. Like this is as fast as a stock F80. If you guys have ever been in a stock F80, this is as fast as an F80. Shout out to HTE. This thing is fucking sick now. I definitely have to pick Jude up later tonight and we need to go on a rip because this thing is so fast.
What's up, guys?
I'm giving Jude a ride because he needs to experience the, oh my God, hold on. Because he needs to experience the spicy goodness. And I just probably ate like 2,000 calories worth of food. So yeah, I'm feeling it right now.
I'm excited.
Dude, you just touched the gas.
Dude, I don't know how you're not like clutch kicking around a corner.
Also, we're doing this in the height of traffic, so.
Oh my God.
Stock brakes.
Not bad.
I was standing on those brakes and we barely like, oh. Oh, it sounds so good.
It does sound really, really fucking good. Oh, how you have the self-restraint to not be like, whoop, whoop, whoop,
My fucking fender. Shoot a flame. Yeah.
Does it have a limiter?
Oh yeah, 8,500 RPM. Yeah, this car is so, I have to make this thing quieter. This thing is so loud.
Yeah, if it was like a little more refined too, it would sound fucking wicked.
What are we thinking, Jude? What are we thinking? Dude, look at the, how gangster does this thing look? What do you think, Jude?
Pretty sweet.
Dude, I could sit here all day long and stare at this thing. I think we're gonna remake the exhaust. I wanna do long tube headers. I think it'll give it a better sound. Oh, Jude, check out the exhaust tip.
Oh yeah.
I might have to.
Video, but
I might have to reposition it after. You like the little shrouds that I kind of like the shrouds. It's kind of cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the video out right now. I just got back from the gym, so that's why I'm all sweaty. I love this car. This has made me fall back in love with this car. I bought this car when I was 14, so like this has always been my favorite car out of all the cars that I've owned, and I will never sell this car. On that note, guys, I'm gonna end the video out here. Please drop a comment on the video. Say S54 is king if you guys are here till the end. I'm gonna close the video out right now. As I always say, dream so big it's scary. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Damn. I said that, how, like, if Denzel Washington would see a chick with, like, a fat ass,
yeah,
he'd be like, damn, that shit busting out the jeans, man.
he might, yeah.
I told you.
You should put that in.